if it wasn't loving you.
Into the night there is a lighted moon. Sooner or later, you know later is soon. Walking tonight, you'll hear a loving tune. That's why we're walking under the moon.
I'm going to love you with tenderness. I'm going to give you all I can, and nothing less, and nothing less, and nothing less. A new beginning is an end for some. Leave it behind and hear a different drum. Walk down the path, don't worry, don't run. Feeling this moment, life is fun.
Hearing this voice, it might sound strange, echoing through the silent rain. Singing to you, we have everything to gain. I'm the folk singer, you know my name.
I'm going to love you with tenderness. I'm going to give you all I can, and nothing less, and nothing less, and nothing less. Think what you want, think what you can. If you are lonely, you will need a friend. Love is the answer, and then thank all the stars with an amen. Look at the children, look at them smile. Hold little hands and walk every mile. Their inspiration, miracles of birth. Let's join their journey all over the earth.